Previously on Sleeping with the Boss Wife.
My stomach is killing me, babe. I'm not feeling good.
What do you mean your stomach is killing you, babe? What's going on?
Brain. Do you think you're pregnant?
Nah.
No.
What's going on with you? That was a one-time thing, and I need you to stop calling my phone. I have a husband.
You're pregnant, girl.
No.
I'm gonna be a godmother. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Drug dealer. You're having my baby? Where are you, girl?
Hey, what are you doing here?
Nah, I've been down here for a minute. I just came back from the doctor's office. It's official, but I'm pregnant and the baby's growing healthy.
That's great. What's the problem?
It's for the fucking bomb.
Also,
Yeah, turns out he's a drug dealer too.
what the fuck?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Like,
I told you to stay away from that.
he knows that I just came from the doctor. So now I'm gonna go upstairs and tell him that what? Oh yeah, the baby's fine. And not tell him
Wait,
it's
so
not
you're
his
gonna tell him
baby.
it's his baby and not...
I have to tell him it's baby. It's the
Why?
right thing to do. I can't do it yet. I can't do it right now. I can't do it like this. He's happy. We've been doing good. We haven't been arguing as much. He's been more attentive, and I really appreciate that. And for me to just ruin it by saying that shit, it's gonna crush him.
How do you think he's gonna take it?
Hardly. Probably gonna kick me out. Probably gonna have my real.
So, what happened with the drug dealer?
I told him that. What else am I supposed to do? I have to tell him. I told him what was going on.
What
He
was
was
his reaction?
happy about it. Like at first he was mad at me because I wasn't hitting him up, but
Right.
I'm not gonna hit you up if this was a one-time thing. This wasn't even supposed to happen.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's just, he was happy about me having his baby. It's like, once he freaking decided to leave off with his freaking friend talking about drugs and shit, I'm like, oh hell no, I'm not getting pregnant by no drug dealer.
I don't blame him.
fucked
The
up.
fuck? So what are you gonna do when you go upstairs? Are you gonna tell him it's his baby?
I'm gonna tell him that
Tell
the
him
visit
cheer
went
him
well
on?
for my sake and for my health, because I don't want to disrupt what's going on. I don't believe in killing a life. But eventually I'm gonna tell him that it can't be today. Not today. I appreciate you. You told me
I'm
that.
here. Whatever you decide to do, I'm here for you. I'm happy. I'm in your corner. So, I love you too. You'll be okay. I'm here.
Let's go upstairs.
Let's go. You got this. Come on. Babe?
Hey, babe.
Hey.
Hey, baby. How you feeling?
I'm good.
That's good. How'd the doctor go?
Doing alright. Got some news to tell you.
I don't like news. News is scary. What's up? Okay. Everything right?
I'm pregnant.
Cat?
I'm pregnant.
Nah, you joking. Yo, stop pulling my leg. You dead ass? For real? Oh shit! You for real? My baby gonna have a baby? We gonna have a baby?
Yeah.
He's a baby. He's a baby. So I'm genders. How far along are you? Like, what's going on?
3 months.
3 months.
I'm not quite a shower.
Yeah, I can see it. We weren't seeing this, but Shit, we got stuff to do. I think I'm gonna call out of work today. Like, it don't even make sense to go in. Like,
I mean, if I get more time with you.
we gotta let's start time now. We actually gotta turn up. Hi, Boss Doggy. We gotta turn up. Boss Doggy happy. We gotta call some people over, see if we can get shit going, make some things happen. Hold on, I'm gonna call a couple people.
You sure?
Yeah, we gonna have a little celebration, baby. Hey man, what's up? Listen, do me a favor. All the things I got to do at the office, I'm gonna need you to take over for the day.
Really?
I just got news that I'm about to have a baby. Yeah, bro. Don't worry about it. We'll talk a little bit. Do me a favor, cancel all meetings. We'll handle that later. I gotta call people. Once you close down at the office, come over. We're gonna have a little party to celebrate, man. Alright, I gotta call somebody else. Alright. Babe, I'm gonna go call a couple of other people. I'll see you in a little bit.
Hello? Where'd she go? She's not. Hold on.
Baby girl.
Hello? You left? Girl, I'm sitting here, I'm like, what the fuck? Now I'm in the crib still. Like, I'm like, where did you go? I didn't even hear you sneak out. Well, it's okay. Nah, take your time. Since you're going back to the crib anyway, get dressed, because we having to get together over here, you know, for the baby. Girl, don't start your shit. Bring this up. Alright, I'll see you soon. Later, love. So, yeah, brother, I'm traveling.
I don't say
I'm no cold, nada.
no say about one you have still.
One? Alright, brother, but yo, the boss just link me out, like I said, we come link me urgent. You understand?
Hold on now. The brother text me say he really want it tonight still, boy. Because I'm going to tell him say tomorrow leave because...
Alright, this alright. We're gonna leave the boss and anything, we just come back and then deal with it.
Alright, we'll do that then.
Alright. Yeah, brother, I'm in a mood for one day night, brother. I swear to you that.
I agree.
You remember the shot you with them say she's pregnant with me, brother? See him on the dog because, yo, brother, man, give me a mood. Come here, try to get her and she's my answer her for, brother. I know some might be there, brother. You see, thing want to be like some waste daddy out there, brother. I did it for my youth, you see? Alright, so, brother, the father will leave the boss with forward.
Yeah, because we don't tell the dogs that tomorrow things are here night, you see?
Alright, forward, brother.
How's going to live again, man?
Oh, see, indoor. Wow, I really take money because you see, to come out them place and say things that, yeah.
Oh, what I'm going down? Yeah, you got to stop. Yo. I just say, what are you doing here? My boss tell me to go link him. So you have some baby something. Yeah. Like,
Wait. You work for my husband?
your husband is Brian?
Here.
Yeah, I work for your
Oh,
husband.
hell no. You got me fucked up. You gotta go. No.
My man's y'all.
Hello, bro.
What's up,
Boss, man?
How you feeling, man?
Good, man. Yo, my boy.
How you doing, man?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Nice to meet you, man.
Alright.
Pleasure. Baby, this is Yaadvybz, one of my employees. Pregnant, bro. It's just some hormones.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Like,
Now come on, enjoy yourselves, man. We got some people coming over.
Every day I say, what going? Maybe I'm like that, dog. Yeah, brother, maybe I'm like that, brother. I see him, bro, I tell you. Remember the other night when she told me she's pregnant?
How can I mix up on doing that this hour or someone?
Your brother, because she be the boss lady, dog. Man, no, dog. You know what this is going down, man. I just tell you.
Yo,
Fellas, you want something to drink? Y'all want something to eat? Y'all good? Y'all could take a seat. Like y'all want me to put on some tunes? What y'all need? Y'all need some smoke, some drink?
I'm going. Baby! Ooh, look, I got fire. Thank you.
You can't come here looking like that from me.
Why not? Who's this? Hello?
Alright.
Kitchen.
Hi. What the fuck is this? Bum ass nigga, what's
Come
he
here.
doing?
What's up, girl?
No, why are you pulling me?
Come on.
Why? What happened? Don't shush me.
Yo, brother. Yo, how I want you to say all about that? Yo, brother. You see that girl there, brother? She found me new and she don't like me, brother. You see it? Yeah, she just see me a while ago. She nice still, though, man. I like. She got a nice girl. She don't look nice to me, brother. I swear to you. Okay. Because I told them a problem. Brother, I mean, I know you. Probably next time a problem, but she not like me. So, you know, if she don't like you still, I say, think of it.
I need you to calm down.
Why? What the fuck is he doing here, bro? In your house?
I said the same fucking thing when he came through the door. This nigga came like 15 minutes ago telling me this nigga is freaking my husband's employee.
What the fuck? What did you?
My husband is his freaking boss. And he's in my house.
What is
And
he
I
doing
can't
here?
get him out. He
Okay,
invited
what is he doing
him.
here?
He invited him.
For what?
For the party. For the baby. His baby. You think I knew he was gonna be here?
Who's the other guy?
You. Girl, you go find out. That's his. I guess it's his homie.
I wanna
or
go
some
find
shit.
out.
That's
I'm a
his drug
hot
dealer
shit.
friend.
Drug dealer friend.
Girl,
How do you know that?
you probably make more money than him. Go talk to him. Come on.
I'm bringing this bottle with me. Shit, this shit is too weak. I need some stronger for this
stronger
shit.
for you. I got you.
What up?
Yeah.
Hello? My bestie Lolo. What's up?
You all quiet today, baby. What's up?
Yo, brother, I think I time for ready, you know, brother.
Zen?
Where you
Yeah.
going?
Hi. Baby girl, how you doing?
Good. How you?
I'm alright. Let's hear what it does.
Yo, brother, come here, brother.
Yo,
Okay.
I gotta go, alright? You know,
Later, bro.
Wait, bro. You getting ready to step out? I got a little bit of news for you, man.
Now, what happened?
Alright. So, being that I'm gonna have to make this like a full-time thing, I might need you to basically take over the job or take over a lot of stuff that's going on.
Oh, hell no. I need a drink.
Like, so, you want me to just take over everything?
Yeah, basically, the routes, everything going on at the depot, I need you to handle. You'll still have Wynn and Devin there to make sure everything you need is taken care of, but I need you to manage that while I manage things at home.
Alright, bro, I got you, bro, you know? I appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I appreciate it, bro.
Excuse me. I don't think he deserved that promotion.
Yo, bro.
Yeah, baby,
Yeah.
baby, what's
Come on.
Don't mind me.
Listen.
No, I'm sipping. I
Girl.
need a drink for this.
You don't have light and dark. Calm down.
So,
what? Why? What's going on? Like,
Yo, brother, you ready, brother? Yo, father. Appreciate it, brother. Look at me, look at me, brother. Hold on, let me get that brother number on the call. Alright, tell your number I followed, brother. Tell your number I followed.
not today. What do you mean not today?
Hey,
Yo, what is going on?
I'm sorry,
I'll be
but
trying
I need to get you for a number so I can, you know, go come up with my boy and deal.
I mean, shit. Take her number. Make sure y'all are good. Have a good time. Take her home safely, please.
Yeah.
Yo, brother, just hurry up.
Yeah.
Brother, I'm not driving with our still, no, brother. So, you
Excuse
can't
me?
take the other car, man.
Excuse me?
Wait, what?
Yo.
I think she has something to tell you.
That's
Wait, hold on. How do y'all know each other?
That's a great question. Bree, can you explain?
no. Care to stop?
No, I cannot.
I want to know what's going
Someone
on.
needs to say something or I will.
Brother.
No.
We just had this conversation.
No. You stay right there.
I ain't have no conversation. What the fuck is going on in here?
Baby.
If she's not going to tell you, I am. She's pregnant.
Oh, yeah,
It's not your baby.
Yo, I swear.
Come again?
Brother,
She's
take
pregnant?
that time with your
No,
blood.
no, 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 no. You don't,
It's his
you don't
baby.
move. No, you don't move. You don't move. You.
It's not your baby, it's his.
Fool me again.
She stepped out on you.
Yo.
Like,
I told you I was gonna
ago.
tell him, like,
What is he
I
Alright.
told you I was gonna tell
You can
him.
go, bro.
What is he doing here? You should have been told him that. What is he doing here?
Yo, you
I'm not fucking around with none of this.
Right
So
now.
everybody's in the crib that I bust my ass to work and
This is exactly
make
what
shit happen.
This is what I was.
And niggas
I'm
sipping
sorry,
windows on board and all this shit. And everybody
A couple of you.
So-
You love your cup today.
So this is tea sip happy time. So everybody got a glass.
Nah, but tell us some ready, no, brother.
Alright, cool. Don't worry about it, bro.
Tell some like that girl in there, brother.
Babe.
Don't
I
worry
don't
about
like
it.
you either. What the fuck?
Don't
Get
worry
out.
about it. Bro,
Bye. Get
I'll
out.
holler at you, Yardy.
Bye.
You might have to lose your job, bro.
Bye.
I don't know what the fuck is going on.
Bye.
here.
All of y'all. All of y'all need to get
Bye.
back.
Bye. Bye.
Lola, I love you, dearie, but you gotta go. I am not in the
I'm
mood.
taking my bottle. What
Please
is
take her home safely. She has a
I'm
cough
taking my
and she
bottle.
does not know
Oh,
what she's
no,
saying right now.
Lola, I got a better one for you. How about you
She's
take your
been
friend
way
with
too much.
you?
What the fuck is you talking
No,
about?
you can go. Bye.
What is
no,
you
no, no,
talking
bye,
about?
bye, bye,
What
bye,
is you
bye,
talking
bye,
about?
bye. You and the
You got me
breed,
fucked
and
up. I'm not
you
going.
can
No.
go.
No.
Oh, that's not my baby. You can go.
No, you ain't shit.
I'm cool with that. You've been.
Shit.
You
I was
wasn't
going
shit.
to tell you.
Nah, you
My
wasn't
best
shit
friend
before me.
shouldn't have to tell you
Nope.
some shit.
Say bye, bye, boss Yogi. Bye.
Babe, open the door. Yo, I was gonna tell you. Yo, we got me fucked up. Babe. Yo, why the fuck would she do that? Yo, I fucking hate